Hey everyone, Codex here. I hope you're doing fantastic. So today what we're gonna do is take a look at Elrond's native token Egld, and you'll be discussing what's currently happening with the price, because it seems like this downtrend isn't stopping anytime soon. And this in itself is actually very worrying, because seeing the price getting obliterated for several weeks in a row could actually push a lot of investors to simply panic sell. And so today I'll make sure to explain what we should be expecting in the next few weeks. So if you guys like the content, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and make sure to join our Telegram channel. So about 5 days ago, we talked about Egld in here, and I said that although we have chances of going up in the short term, and although there is always some room for relief phases, on the macro scale, things still look very bad, and I made sure to elaborate on what we need to experience first before seeing any serious move to the upside. And fun fact, Elrond did go up. We did experience a 30% move to the upside from the current local bottom, but it seems like that move was just your usual green relief candle before going lower. And going down now is quite understandable, because we simply got rejected from this level, which is our resistance for now. And you have to keep in mind that this area, this level, is a high volume node, which means that most sell orders are sitting in here. And this is why it's a bit tough to experience any real and any serious expansion up. You can't really go up and start rallying when you've got loads of sell orders between 80 and 90 US dollars. And so look, before we even discuss a move to the upside, we need to clear this level at first, which will honestly take a lot of work. And this level in here is, by the way, similar to the resistance we hit back between 190 and 210 US dollars back at the start of this year. And if you recall, it was really tough to go above this area as soon as we started trending below it. And we literally got rejected from it twice. And to me, it seems like this is what's going to happen again. If BTC remains in its current range and it doesn't trend above 32,000 US dollars, then don't expect much from EGLD. In bear markets, when BTC is moving sideways, altcoins tend to lose their value to the US dollar. And when BTC starts going down, altcoins start bleeding and they get destroyed. And so you have to keep that in mind if you are only holding alts now. If we move on to the Phoenix Ascending Indicator, we can still see that the blue LSMA and red RSI are below the mid-yellow line. And I said in the last couple of Elrond videos that as long as these two lines, as long as the blue LSMA and red RSI are below the level of 50, things will mainly remain bearish. And even if we go up, it's most likely a bear trap. The day we go up above the yellow line on the Phoenix Ascending Indicator, the day these two lines, the blue LSMA and the red RSI, trend higher above the level of 50, things will improve. But for now, nothing has really changed from a week ago. And fun fact, throughout Elrond's entire history, this is the longest bearish phase we have ever had. We have been experiencing a constant downtrend with no relief phases whatsoever for about 60 days now. So 2 months of pure bearishness, and we're not used to this actually. We've had multiple crashes, don't get me wrong, we've had significant corrections in the past with Egld, but all of them lasted less than this one. This current downtrend might not look as bad as this one in terms of ROI, because we are on the logarithmic scale. So this move in here looks actually much worse, but these two aren't that far away from each other. And this actually puts into perspective how bad things are, how bad the price action has been. Now, the most common question is, where is our bottom? Where is Egld's bottom? And to be honest, nobody really knows. Nobody knows where the bottom is. But what I can say is that throughout Egld's history, every time the green RSI, every time this green line went this low on the weekly time frame, we ended up bottoming down. That actually happened at first after the March crash, and you can see that when the green line touched the level of 0, which is this orange line, we ended up bottoming down and the uptrend started. We also were super close to the orange line before bottoming down in here. And the same thing happened in here at the start of this year. And I mean, you can see that although we didn't really bottom in here, since we are currently lower, since the price is currently lower than back in here, we actually ended up experiencing a very strong relief rally. And this was basically a 100% move to the upside. So it was a 2x, it was a significant move. What I want to say is that the bear market might not be over. However, based on this indicator, which has helped us a lot in the past, we should start seeing some relief rally within the next 3 weeks. Why 3 weeks? It's simply because the energy, which is this gray shape, will close in less than 3 weeks, indicating a weakening downtrend and a shift in the trend. Again, I honestly don't know where the bottom is, and we could continue going lower in the meantime, but we should normally experience a relief rally within 3 weeks, and I will make sure to update you in the following weeks. Of course, I'm gonna repeat myself for the last time because people don't get it sometimes. Today, tomorrow, next week, we could go lower. We still have a downward pressure. I never said that we have an uptrend. I never said that. All I said is that in the next 21 days, we should start seeing a start of an expansion up. That was about it, guys, for today for Elrond. Thanks for sticking by till the end. Also, I know you are the Maya app boys, the Maya Dex boys, but come on, who doesn't love a hardware wallet to show it to his girlfriend? So, if you are interested in storing your Egld or any coin in a safe wallet, make sure to check out Decent, as you could get a $50 discount on the biometric wallet with the link down below. So make sure to check it out if you want to store any coin that comes to your mind. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Bye bye.